kickstart the show then by putting the spotlight on National Startup Day. We're celebrating the accomplishments of the Indian startups, how we've really fostered a very strong entrepreneurial spirit, encouraging entrepreneurship and really boosting schemes like Make in India. My colleague Bhavya Dua has all those details in this special report of National Startup Day. Bhavya.
देश के उन सभी स्टार्टअप्स को, सभी इनोवेटिव युवाओं को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं जो स्टार्टअप्स की दुनिया में भारत का झंडा बुलंद कर रहे हैं। स्टार्टअप्स का ये कल्चर देश के दूर दराज तक पहुंचे, इसके लिए 16 जनवरी को अब नेशनल स्टार्टअप डे के रूप में मनाने का फैसला भी किया गया है।
So from humble garage beginnings to billion-dollar dreams, the Indian startup ecosystem has come a long way. With India emerging as the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, Indian startups have experienced phenomenal growth in recent years, especially with the launch of the Startup India scheme. In the last 8 years, we saw 15 times increase in the total funding of the startups, a 9 times increase in the number of investors, and a 7 times increase in the number of incubators. Now, various initiatives like the Seed Fund Scheme, Fund of Funds Scheme, Credit Guarantee Scheme for startups were launched under this umbrella scheme to give boost to Make in India through entrepreneurship. Let's take a look at the startups that became unicorns in these past years. So from Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy and Byju's to start with, to Mamaearth, 1mg, PharmEasy and Zepto, the country saw many of its startups turn into unicorns. India is the third largest unicorn producer globally after the USA and China. In total, India is home to 72 unicorns, which contributes to 5% of the global unicorn valuation. Let's also take a look at the startups that went for public listing. Now, even though there were small companies walking the path of the public listing, Zomato emerged as the torchbearer for IPOs in the startup world in 2021. And the country later saw participation by startups like Nykaa, Paytm, Freshworks, Delivery, Mamaearth and Yatra to name a few. But amidst these positive highs, what went haywire? So apart from seeing the funding winter in the entire startup ecosystem that lasted for almost 1.5 years, the space also saw a tough time with the startups public listing, with many of them being listed at a discount. There were also feuds seen amongst the management at various startups like Byju's and BharatPe. But what's the road forward? Well, there are various big IPOs this year. Indian startups such as Ola Electric and FirstCry are likely to get listed in 2024. Ola Electric has already filed its DRHP with an aim to raise 5,700 crore rupees, while FirstCry aims to garner more than 1,800 crore rupees. There are also others like Swiggy, Oyo, MobiKwik and PharmEasy which have lined up their IPOs for the coming year according to various reports. And we hope to see this positive trends this year with the startups reaching new milestones in the country.